One of the great ways to celebrate a beautiful Christmas dinner with friends and family is by setting a Christmas table using gorgeous china. I love these three patterns that they have here at Gearys. This beautiful Bernardeau with the lovely colored, different colors, red and green, mix and match on that to make your table more fun. A very classic pattern from Royal Copenhagen. I love the bows. It's so pretty. And on a simple white plate, food looks fabulous. In particular, I think this is very graceful, the handle on the cup. Love it. The heron pattern is not new, but what is new this year are those cute little animals, the figurines that they have painted on those side plates. You can get the figurines and decorate your table with them. Love the runners and the placemats, and especially napkin rings, all from Kim Siebert. A beautiful Christmas table for your Christmas this year.